So the last two operations we have to work with are multiplying and dividing integers. We put them into one because the rules are the same. I think multiplying and dividing integers is definitely easier than adding and subtracting. There's really just one rule, two rules, but one cohesive rule for multiplying and dividing. If the two numbers that you're multiplying and dividing have the same sign, then the product or quotient is going to be positive. The result is going to be positive. If they have different signs, you're multiplying or dividing two numbers and they have different signs, meaning one's positive and one's negative, then the result will be a negative answer. Our multiplying and dividing is exactly the same as when we multiply and divide just positive values. Just the resulting answer, the quotient of the product, will be negative or positive depending on if they have the same sign or different signs. So for number one, we have -8 times -12. Well, because they have the same sign, I know my answer is going to be positive. Okay. Now, some of us might say, well, I don't know what 8 times 12 is. Well, that's okay. Off to the side. What's 12 times 8? We can do some vertical multiplication, which is not a bad thing to do. Show work. It's going to help you out. Don't just guess. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 1 is 8 plus the additional one we had to carry over. So we have 96. -8 times -12 is going to be 96. And it is positive because they have the same sign. Both are negative. When we multiply them together, we get a positive answer. This is where people, there's something with two wrongs don't make a right. Well, in math, two negatives do make a positive. Number two, 72 divided by -8. Well, 72 is positive. 8 in this case is negative. So they have different signs. So I know my result is going to be a negative answer. Well, how many times does 8 go into 72? If you know your multiplication tables, hopefully you do, it's 9 times. So my answer for 72 divided by -8 is going to be -9. Number three, same sign or different signs? Yeah, different signs. 11 is positive, 4 is negative. So my result is going to be a negative answer. 11 times 4 is 44. So 11 times -4 is going to be -44. Then the last one, number 4, I always like to put a problem like this on there. Sorry for the shadow. There's a little light coming through. Let's see if I can get rid of that. 24 divided by -3. Remember, fractions, is it a fraction mark is just another symbol for division. So this is 24 divided by -3. They have different signs. So my result is going to be negative. How many times does 3 go into 24? It's 8 times. Again, knowing your multiplication facts are going to help you here. 8 times. So our answer for 24 divided by -3, we're going to get -8. And that's multiplying and dividing integers.